In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a gallery to your website. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the gallery to my About page. So I'm just going to open up my About page now. Okay, I'm going to add the gallery to this row that's just underneath my navigation button. So I'm just going to click in the cell. Now, the first thing we need to do is we need to gather some images. Okay, so what you're going to need to do is go on to Pexels, click on the three dots, go to settings, make sure that you've got your downloads button ticked, okay, because you're going to save these images that you grab. So this one here, make sure you've got it saved, so when you click on an image you can save it into your assets folder. So click on the picture that you want to save. So I'm going to get this one. Okay, go to free download, make sure you set it to small because it's going to go on a website, we don't need large images, and then click download, wait for it to box to pop up. Okay, now what I've done is I've created a folder within my assets folder called gallery, and I've already put 3 pictures in there, so I'm going to save this one as my 4th picture. Okay, going to click save. So what I've got now is I've got in my gallery, I've got four pictures that are going to be featured. So to create the gallery, we're going to use a website called Albumizer. So if you go on to, okay, so it's Albumizer, so albumizr.com. Now, all you need to do when you get onto this website is drag the pictures you want to put into an album onto this orange bar. Now just ignore the fact that that's already there because that's one I created earlier, but you're going to drag your images onto this orange bar. So I'm going to get my folder, here it is. If you need to open your folder up, just click on the start button, go on to documents, okay, or the other way to do it is go to this PC, okay, go to where your folder is, there's my website folder, go to assets, go to your gallery, okay, got that ready now, and then all you need to do is just select all the pictures and drag them onto the orange bar, click download, you can see they're all uploading there. Okay, and then what it'll do is it'll give you your code. You're going to get this code. I'm going to click copy. I'm going to go on to Dreamweaver. I'm going to click in that middle cell. I'm going to go to code. Okay, make sure you've clicked in the cell. I can see it flashing, the cursor flashing, otherwise it'll be outside of your table. Go to code, scroll down until you can see where the cursor's flashing, which is there. Get rid of the ampersand part. I'm going to press the enter key a couple of times, get the black space, click in the middle of it, paste in the code, so either right click paste, okay, or control and V if that's easier. I'm going to set my height to be 1024 pixels high, sorry, 1024 pixels wide, sorry, by 500 pixels high. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm just going to go back to design again. I'm just going to save it. Okay, so you can either do File Save or Control S. Okay, and then if I then go File, Real-Time Preview, Google Chrome, okay, you can now see that we've got our pictures inside our album and it is appearing on our page. Okay, so you've now got the skills that you need to be able to create your website. The last thing I want to show you very quickly is how you test the website. Now, we've been previewing it in Dreamweaver, but the best way to actually test it once it's finished is to go to this PC, find your website folder. These are our HTML files here. I'm going to open up the index, and then you'll be able to text your file and see it all working in all of its glory. Now you have all the skills you need now to be able to create your Dreamweaver website, so go and have some fun.